Look, if you're a YouTuber but you just hate how long it takes to actually edit videos, trust me, you are not alone. Oftentimes the longest part of editing YouTube videos isn't even the fun creative parts, but it's actually just rewatching the videos and cutting out all the bad takes and repeats over and over again. Trust me, it's super embarrassing to rewatch yourself. I've been there. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna be going over this brand new AI Claude plugin, which will automatically edit your YouTube videos based off of what your video is about, and it'll cut out all the bad takes for you, helping you edit your YouTube videos in just minutes, not hours. Let's go. All right guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro, and by the way, I forgot to mention this AI Claude plugin is completely free to try out and test. So you can test it completely for free. I've linked down to it below. The first thing you have to do is you have to download it. So you go to this website, AutoEditAI.net, and as you can see, you can literally just go ahead and start the free trial and try it out completely for free. It's super easy to download, completely no risk. If you don't like it, then just cancel it. So to open up the plugin, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click Auto Edit, and then boom, just like that, the plugin pops up. I'm going to click on Creator Mode, and then you can see it's going to take me to this tab right here where I can enter a prompt. So this is really cool because I can just type what this video is about. So I could say something like, oh, this is a YouTube video, it's about this or whatever, or if your video is about cooking, or maybe it's a history channel, you can type that. You can type the actual topic of the video. I actually pasted a prompt from earlier, and then you can see I can choose the model size. So do I want it to be a fast one? Do I want it to use a lot of brain, or do I want it to use actual ultimate, most powerful Claude model, the Opus model, to process my video? I'm gonna use the standard one just for the length of this tutorial. So let's say you edit YouTube tutorials, and for YouTube tutorials, one like this, I have a screen recording and then I have the face cam recording. So there's two clips that need to be edited, right? You can actually have two clips on the timeline and it will just make the cuts wherever those silences or repeats or bad takes are detected, and it will edit it for you. So it won't make a brand new timeline. As long as there's talking in this video, then the AI plugin will be able to transcribe your video and it'll be able to understand what the video is about. If there's no talking, this plugin won't work best for you because it doesn't have actual image or visual context understanding. It's just able to transcribe what your video is about and cut out the bad takes for you. And boom, just like that, look at this. It is automatically editing my timeline for me. That is crazy. And boom, it is automatically added markers as well. And if I click on these markers, you can see it gives me topics of what the actual video is about right here. So show clock ticking, or give me ideas of what I can actually put, like overlay as visuals, which is just really sick. AI analysis, clips in progress bar, da 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 da. And as you can see, the black or grayed out parts are the clips that are cut, and then the non-grayed out areas are the clips that are kept. So you can see right here on the tab, it gives us a tab of what we can review to edit and so forth. And then there's also a silence trimmer as well. And basically what the silence trimmer will do is it will cut off a few milliseconds off the beginning and the end of your clip. So let's say I start a line and I usually have the tendency to take a breath. Then, so it will automatically cut out that first millisecond and the last millisecond of the clip. So that way you can just have tighter cuts. So this is a really cool utility tool, but the main meat of this is, like, the coolest part is the fact that it will automatically detect what to keep and what to cut. I recommend giving it a first human pass. Just make sure to check, is it actually good? Did it cut out some of the takes that I want to keep, or is this, like, usable? By the way, we use the lightest model for this tutorial. We use the lowest model. There is an Opus model, which takes a little bit longer to load. That's why I was, just for the sake of this tutorial, I want to do it really quick. That one is crazy. I've made another video on it using the Opus model, which I've linked right here if you want to check it out, but that model is crazy. So this one is still gonna, there's still gonna be some lines that I might keep, and if I do want to keep those lines, then I literally just go ahead and click right here. So tutorials, talking head, explainer videos, documentaries, podcasts, you name it. This AI plugin, and you're recording your voice. You have a raw recording. It's not AI generated. It's your real human voice, and you mess up because you're human. This AI plugin will automatically cut out all the bad takes for you. I'm telling you, this will be the hugest time saver as a YouTube video editor, especially if you edit inside of Premiere Pro already. You don't have to leave Premiere Pro. You don't have to go to Descript. You don't have to go to Gling and then export and bring it back into Premiere. It's all inside of your Premiere Pro timeline. Is this something that you find useful? Would you try this on your own edits? And also, if you have any requests or features that I should add to this plugin. And of course, also if you edit TikTok videos, short form, Instagram Reels, whatever, whatever, you name it, you can also use this plugin as well. Just as long as there's talking in this video, it works. Hopefully you found something valuable from this video. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI to automatically edit music videos and event recap videos to the beat of the song with visual effects and transitions, then you can check out this video linked right here.